Okay, gave us a little break there. This is all ready to go. Remember in the beginning of the year we did a value chart? Okay, and you see I've marked it up. 1 being the white, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 being the darkest. Depending on skill level, some people might only have 4 shades of gray and a white. Some might have 3 and 1 white. So what I want you to do is take the photograph, okay, and you're going to mark it up. I always start with the lightest, which would be 1. Obviously, this is my lightest, so I marked it 1, 1, 1. Tiny little ones there, okay? And then I went over to the hand, marked that 1. This is why I call it the paint by number painting. Now, what's the next value that you see? Which would be 2. That's that one, right? So anything that shade is a 2. And you can see I've marked it all up. 2 up here and 2 on the fingers. What's our next value? Looks like it's this. Okay, so that would be my number 3. And I'm marking that up wherever I see it. There's a 3, there's a 3. There's actually a 3 right there. It's not marked up, but I know I did it on my drawing. There's no 3s or bigger values over on the hand. All right, 4s. Where did I see a 4? There are not too many on this piece. Up there we go. There are some different values up here in the hair that aren't necessarily black. So those became my 4s. And there really isn't too many of those. Okay? I might only see 2. I think that's the other one. It's next to the black, so it looks a lot lighter. Or it could be a 3. 4, 4, and you'll mark it on there. And then obviously this is the 5, my darkest shape. Okay? And this is a 6 value. I only had 5, right? Okay. So what you need to do now, since you've got it marked up on this, I'm going to come over here and we're going to mark it. So these are my 1s. All right, 1, 1, that's 1 there. I think you kind of get the idea of this. All right, and all these little tiny things were 1s. And you really do want to put it, because when you start painting you need to see it. Here's the hands up. I gotta slide it over. Okay. This is a 1, a 1, 1, 1, obviously 1, 1. And there's only the second one. Good luck on this one. If I can do a backwards 2 here. Let's see how good I get at this. Woo, kind of big. Alright, and this is a 2. Alright, and then you're going to come back over here. I think you get the drift of this. That's a 2. That's a 2. Alright, and we got a 2 right up here. Make sure you kind of put that in. You will forget as you're going along. This shape was the 3, right? We picked it, was 3 over here. This is actually 3 is right there, goes down. This is our 5. If I remember these, I hope I can see it, these little shapes right in here were the 4, because they're not quite black, but they're larger than this. So they were right here. And I'm going to put, oh boy, there we go, backwards again. And 4 there. And then obviously here's your 5. And 5's over here. Ooh, that's a little confusing there. Because that's just the grid. 5. And this is 5 down there. Alright, so now it's all marked up and you are ready to paint. And before you do that, I'm just going to show you one more thing. Say I did this, it's marked up, and I'm going to get ready to do my painting. You probably can't see there are little numbers here, but they're so faint. You want to get rid of the grid underneath your drawing. So you can see there's no more grid here. I've erased everything. I've cleaned it all up so that we actually see all the different shapes on here. I didn't erase this because I haven't figured out quite yet. I was going to do something different, what your background's going to be. So I left that here for the time being. And then over here is the hands. Okay, everything's been erased, all those extra lines, and I just have my numbers. Alright, so now we're all ready to start the painting process, and I will start another video for that. Good luck!